Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to ninth standard maths class. The last class we have discussed method of using trigonometric table. In this class also we are going to see about method of using trigonometric table. Exercise 6.4, second question. The question is find the value of theta if the first subdivision sin theta equal to 0.9975. Okay, the solution. So already known the sine and tan value exists. The mean difference value can be added. The cosine value exists. The mean value is subtracted. This is already known. Okay. So sine value. Sine theta is equal to 0.9975. Okay. This 0.9975 can be right. Okay. Listen the natural sine table. Okay. Observe the answer. The 0.9975, 0.7, here 0.8, okay, this is 0.992 and 93, so we want to 0.99, okay, 0.96, 0.99 start here, okay, then observe your answer 0.9975, 997, okay, this is 996, okay, so consecutively observe the answer 9971, 9972, 9973, 9974, okay, the next answer is 9976, but your answer is 9975, okay, so 0.9974, then add 1 the mean difference value, we get 0.9975, is it or not? Okay, so this value equal to 85 degree and 54 minutes. The last minute value is 54. 85 degree, 54 minutes, and mean difference is 1 equal to 3 minutes. Okay, so the 0.9975 can be right. 0.9974 plus 0.00001 cause 4-digit number. Okay, this can be right in this like cause sine value. So sum of the two values. The sine, this is equal to sine 85 degree and 54 minutes equal to 0.9974. Then the mean difference, so sine 85 degree 54 minutes equal to 0.9974. The mean difference 3 minutes equal to 0.0001. Okay, then the sum of the values sine 85 degree and 54 minutes plus 3 minutes is 57 minutes. Okay, which is equal to 0.9975. Okay, this is equal to this. Okay, therefore from the question sin theta equal to this 0.9975, this is equal to this, so sine 85 degree 57 minutes. Okay, so sine are cancelled, remaining is theta is equal to 85 degree and 57 minutes. Have you understood? The second subdivision is cos theta equal to 0.6763. Okay, the same manner 0.6763 equal to, now cos value exists, so making the subtraction, the two subtraction values. Okay, consider the natural cosine table. Okay, the value is 0.6763. Okay, so this is 0.7, then 0.667. Okay, 6763, 68, so 67, okay, 6765, okay, 6765, then 6769, so in between x is 6763, is it or not? So now you take the greatest value because the cosine x is, the mean difference can be subtracted, so 0.6769, this is the value of 47 degree and 24 minutes. then the original value is 0.6763. Okay, so subtract 6. So consider the mean difference. 6 appear here. The value is mean difference 3. Okay, the 3 minutes value is 6. So subtract 3 minutes, okay, to this value, we get 0.6763. Okay, from the table 0.6763 can be right. 0.6769 minus 0.0006. Okay, so this value, subtract 0.006, we get 0.6763. Okay, then the cos, this is equal to, this value equal to cos 47 degree and 24 minutes equal to 0.6769. Okay, then the mean difference value is, this is equal to 3 minutes. 3 minutes equal to 0.0006. Okay, then finally cos 47 degree 24 plus 3 minutes equal to 27 minutes, which is equal to, the minutes value, don't make it a subtraction. This is only the addition of value. The result only can be subtracted. Okay, so 9 minus 6 is 3, then 6, 7, 6. Okay, so finally we get 0.6763 values cos 47 degree 27 minutes. Okay, the question is cos theta is equal to 0.6763. This is equal to cos 47 degree and 27 minutes. Then cos are cancelled. Remaining is theta is equal to 47 degree 27 minutes. Have you understood? Okay. Next, third question. Find the value of the following. The first subdivision, sin 65 degree 39 minutes plus cos 24 degree 57 minutes plus tan 10 degree 10 minutes. Okay, the solution. First consider the first value, sin 65 degree 39 minutes. Okay, find this value. Okay, this can be right. Sin 65 degree, the 39 minutes can be right. 36 minutes plus 3 minutes, cos the minute value only exists multiples of 6. Okay, so sin 65 degree 36 minutes equal to, using the table, okay, this is a natural sine table. Okay, so value is 65 degree and 36 minutes. Okay, this is 65 degree and 36 minute value 0.9107 and 3 minutes value is 4. The mean difference value is 4. Okay, so the sine 65 degree and 36 minutes equal to 0.9107 and the mean difference value 3 minutes equal to, the value is 4, so 0.0004. Okay, then the sine 65 degree and 39 minutes equal to sum of the value. 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1, this is 9, so 0.9111. Okay, next find cos 24 degree 57 minutes. Second value is cos 24 degree 57 minutes, which is equal to, this can be right, cos 24 degree and 57 minutes can be right, 54 minutes plus 3 minutes. Okay, 54 plus 3 is 57. So cos 24 degree and 54 minutes equal to, from the table, this is the cosine table, so 24 degree and 54 minutes, this is 24 degree and 54 minutes, this 0.9070. Okay, then the 3 minutes, the mean difference value is 4. Okay, the mean difference value is 4 and the 24 degree 54 minute value is 0.9070 from the table. Okay, the cos 24 degree 54 minutes from the table 0.9070. Okay, then the mean difference 3-minute value. 3 minutes equal to value is 4, so 0.0004. Okay, then when cos value exists, the mean difference value can be subtracted. Okay, so cos 24 degree and 57 minutes equal to, subtract the value, making the transformation we get 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, then this value reduced to 1, so 6, and 0, this is 9, so 0.9066. Okay, this is cos value. Next, find the tan value. The tan 10 degree and 10 minutes equal to, okay, the tan 10 degree 10 minutes can be right, tan 10 degree and 6 minutes plus 4 minutes, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so tan 10 degree 6 minutes equal to, from the table, this is the natural tangents table. Okay, tan 10 degree, okay, 10 degree 6 minute value, this is 10 degree 6 minute value 0.1781, then the mean difference value is 4. Okay, the mean difference value is 4, this is for 12. Okay, mean difference value is 4, so corresponding 4 value is 12. Okay, from the table, tan 10 degree 6 minute value is 0.1781. Okay, then the mean difference 4 minutes value is 0.0012, 12. Okay, then the tan value exists, the mean difference can be added. So tan 10 degree 10 minutes equal to, sum of the two values, 1 plus 2 is 3, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 0 is 7, 1 plus 0 is 1, so 0.1793. Okay, tan 10 degree 10 minutes equal to 0.1793. Okay, okay, finally sin 65 degree 39 minutes plus cos 24 degree 57 minutes plus tan 10 degree 10 minutes equal to, this value equal to 0.9111 plus cos 24 degree 57 minutes value is 0.9066 plus tan 10 degree 10 minute value is 0.1793. Okay, the sum of the value is 1.9970. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear student, today's homework, book page numbers 237 and 239, example 6.15, exercise 6.4, question number 2, third, fourth and fifth subdivision, third question, second subdivision. Okay, using the trigonometric table to solve the sum. Thank you. God bless you.